Today I want to show you around the 2027 Common Planner. When I designed this back in 2022, I wanted to solve a huge problem. Why do we have to choose between a planner and a separate journal? Why can't we have both in a single slim book? For us, it's all about the paper. We use premium 52 GSM Tomo River paper. It's so thin that we can fit a 12-month planner and a massive 368-page blank grid notebook in one book without it getting too thick. That's our full year edition planner, but if you want a lighter carry, we have the compact edition as well with 119 pages. There are also half year versions in A5 and B6 sizes. Now let's see what layouts are inside. It has a minimal design so you can customize it in a way that fits you. Every page is numbered for indexing. The planner begins with our famous goal breakdown system, then our yearly tracker, next quarterly trackers and planning pages, followed by our monthly calendar spreads, and then weekly spreads. We have two layout options with your choice of vertical or horizontal weekly spreads. The vertical layout includes a timeline for time blocking and easy scheduling. The horizontal format includes all 7 days on the left-hand side with a blank page on the right useful for to-do lists and note-taking. But my absolute favorite part is the blank notebook in the back. You can journal, take notes, or use watercolors without any fear of bleed through. The 2027 Common Planner comes in all 10 sizes. If you want to see exactly which of our beautiful cover colors are available in your favorite size, check out this chart that shows everything we are releasing for 2027 Common Planners. Check out our 2027 planner previews below.